dances have really cool names.
That's because dancing is cool. And speaking of cool, I better deliver these pizzas before they get cool. See you later.
Pizza Guy's dancing sure was different than ballet. Yeah, and my dad knows a completely different kind of dancing. It's called disco dancing. Maybe I should learn how to disco dance too.
He's done standing.
Just to be safe.
I know, but he's cute, so I'm still filming.
Okay, Yubi, we'll have you shaking your groove thing in no time. Now first, point to the sky. Now point down low.
Dance, baby, dance!
Dance, midget, dance. Dance, 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 dance.
He's dancing.
Get down with your bad self.
Let him get other by himself.
Oh, goodness.